Hello friends, welcome back to our new tutorial series of MySQL. In the previous video, we had created one table. So now the main concept is how to insert the record. Now the next one is insert statement. Why insert statement is used in MySQL? Insert statement is used to insert the data in MySQL table within the database. We can insert a single or multiple records using a single query in MySQL. Now as I told you that the student is the name of the table. Role name, class, mark, gender and DOB are the name of the field. And these all record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10 are the records that we want to insert in our table with the name student. Till now what we had done, we had created one table with the name student in which total 6 fields are there, and according to the field we have assigned the data type to the particular fields. Now suppose we want to insert the records in the table, we have to go with the insert into statement. You can use the insert statement with the two options. Now first one is insert into table name values round bracket start over in between that assign each and every value over there, that is val1, val2, val3 likewise. So suppose you want to insert the first record, then we have to go with insert into table name. Right now name of the table is student, values round bracket start. Which one is the value 1? That is 1, comma dharmik, comma 12b, comma 95, comma male, comma this date. Likewise we can go with this. Let's try this. Now to insert the first record, let's start with the first statement, that is insert into table name. Right now name of the table is student, values round bracket start. Now we have to write each and every value one by one, and with the comma separated value, means after completion of the first value we have to assign comma over there. Now next value is dharmik. Yes, you can write in capital character also and small character also. Next one is 12b, then after 95, then after male, and then after date and time format is there. As I told you, you can write the value as first year, then after month, and then after day. Round bracket over semicolon. This is the complete record that I have written: 1 dharmik, 12b, 95 male, and this date. Now one minor change is there. Wherever you are going to find any of the non-numeric value, then you can use it as a single quote or double quote before and ending at time. Means before dharmik I have to start a single quote, and at end time I have to over it with single quote. In non-numeric value only. So 12b is non-numeric value. Why? Because 12 is a numeric value, but dash and b. So that before the 12b and after the 12b. Now again 95, that is a numeric value, male. So that I have to use single quote start, single quote over. And for the date and time format, what always I have to use. Why? Because 2001 is a numeric, but after that one dash is there. So before starting of the value and at a time of ending of the value, I have to use single quote start and over. So this is our complete first record. To insert the first one as 1 dharmik, 12b, 95 male, and this date. To record in the first table, that is student. Now I am going to place the enter over here. So query OK. You can check the record using select statement that I am going to explain within some more time. So this is the complete first statement to insert the first record in the table with the name student. Now see, second record are same only, third 4, and in fifth one minor change is there. Why? Because roll number is 5, name is Aryan, 12c, and see I have written the null over here. Now suppose you want to insert any of the null value. Is there any change in null and 0? Yes. 0 is a value that you had assigned, and null is minor change that suppose you are going to insert any of the value and right now you are not knowing particular value, then you can write null over there. But null you can't directly write like that. You have to write NULL without single or double quote. Let me going to first finish the second, third and fourth record, then come back to you with the fifth record. So at the time of insertion of the fifth record, I am going to use the same format that I used for the previous one. So insert into table name, that is student, values, round bracket start. The fifth record roll number is 5, Aryan, that I would have written in single quote start and over. Next one is 12c, And then after null value is there, so comma, and you have to write null over there without single or double quote. Why? Because till now we had seen that single or double quote can be used with the string format or the date format. So null, then after as per regular format mil, and then after date format is there, so 2002 in single quote, then month, and then date, round bracket over and semicolon. So that's how you can insert the null value over there. Then after you can see that 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are the regular record that I am going to insert as soon as possible. And the last record is 10. Name is Dhruvik. Class is 10B. Value is 86. Male, and the date format is 2003. Month is 10 and day is 70. That's how you can insert the 10 record. And the next format is, see, insert into table name, field 1, field 2, dash, 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 values, val 1, val 2. Now you can use this format whenever you are going to write each and every field name. Now suppose I am going to use for the last record, I am going to write over here only insert into table name, that is student. Now suppose you are going to write the name of the field as roll and all. You can write in capital character also and lower character also. Roll number, name, then after class, comma, mark, comma, gender, and last one is DOB. So these are the fields, and then after values. For the last record I am going to write 10, comma, Dhruvik, comma, 10B, that will be in single quote. Then after 86, then after male in single quote, and then after date and time format, that is 2003-10-17. That's how you can use the second format also. Now when to use this type of format? Now suppose I'm not going to mention DOB over here, so I have to remove the last value also. You can use this format also. Now what is going to happen in roll number? 10 value is going to assign, in name Dhruvik is going to assign, class 10B, mark 86, gender and male. So what about the DOB? In that null value is going to assign over there. So whenever you are going to assign the null value, you can use with the same format also, or you can use this format as we had seen in the fifth record. You can write null over there. So this is all about the insert record that we have to use at a time of insertion of the record in the table.